Take a look at how to replace the battery on a Mercedes key fob. We're going to start with the most common key, the one with a round panic button, and next we're going to change it on this key. This is a newer key, has a triangle panic button, and this is the older key. So let's go ahead and change the battery on this key. On the back here you have this locking tab that you press this, and then you can pull the metal key. Once you pull the metal key, you use this edge right here to unlock it. So I'm pushing on this, and as I'm pushing down that way, pushing that, then I can pull this out. As you can see here, we have the batteries. When you slide the battery out, you gotta pay attention. The positive is on top, so when you install a new battery, the plus needs to be on top as well. So you slide those out, install the new battery in, plus positive on top. Carefully slide this in, quick. Press that in. Press the metal blade in, and that's it. Next, let's take a look at this key. As you can see, this has a triangle panic button. It's slightly different. You unlock it right here. The metal key comes out. Now on this key, instead of unlocking it this way, what you'll do is you'll take this part of the key and you'll insert it right through there. And you'll see the back, this back cover here, this will pop off. So you can see right there. Okay, what you want to do is you want to push down on this side of the battery, and then this side, the other side of the battery will pop up a little bit. Then you can remove the battery and slide it out. Then you can remove the battery like so. I'll take the new battery and make sure the positive is up on top. Slide it down, then press the battery down to lock it in place. And even if the battery doesn't stay down, you don't need to worry too much, because once you insert this back cover right here and press that down, it'll push the battery down, so that should be good. Then you take the metal key and you insert it. And then last, let's look at this older key. Here you unlock it right there. Now what we'll do is we'll use this to push down like so. And as we push that down, I'm gonna keep that pressed. I'm gonna grab this back part right here and pull that out and slide it. That's it. You can see here we have two batteries. The positive is on this side. Pay attention to that. Positive is on this side again. Take the new battery, slide it in. Take the second battery, slide that in. And I'll take this plastic piece,